G'day guys, so I thought I'd just do a little tutorial video of how I like to pop my tree stumps out. So we'll just go and get into position. I like to do it with the ripper. And what I'm going to try and do here is just start to find the exterior outside sort of base of it. Close up my window. So just going to start popping the tree roots around and just dragging through till I find them. Keep in mind, be very careful not to have the tree root whip out at you. It's pretty easy to do. So just be a little bit cautious of your machine positioning. You don't ever want to be too close to what you're trying to dig up. Or you can have them spring out and whip around and smash the windscreen. It's less than ideal and it's not a great phone call to make to the boss. So, and I can vouch for this from experience. So I'll just go either side on this for now. Just trying to pop the larger root systems through. And if you get caught, just try going a little bit further away from the stump. And I feel like there's a bit of pressure in that one, so just going to sit back a little bit. Just in case it does want to pop out and jump up at me and spring towards the machine. So I tend to do a couple of drag throughs just to make sure I've got right down around it all. And I can feel there's some larger roots down the bottom there. As you can see, that just popped through. So we'll try again. We'll go one more through there, and I think that's the main bulk of it. Try again on this side just to make sure I've got all the heavy ones that were down low. And now I just like to sit on the opposite direction and do the same thing again. Drag through from this way now. It's always refer to popping tree stumps as it's kind of like a wiggly tooth. You just got to work on it. Don't go too overboard with it too quickly. Just try and fight your way into it, or you're going to do damage to your pick or your machine. And just be careful of the roots that want to whip like that. So always got to be cautious of that whipping effect. Quite large roots on this tree. Now for the high side of it. Go up and hit the high side, and I think this rain's going to pull me up here. just trying to work your way around the exterior. I think I'm going to stop.